of videos are getting millions of views daily. Just imagine taking BMW, Audi, Fortuner and Ferrari and transform its color by using AI. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do the same. You just need to imagine the car and AI will properly transform its color according to your needs and want. The first thing to create such a type of videos is a prompt, which I'm going to give you in the description of this video. Just open the description. As you guys can see, our prompt is here in the front of us. Now from the prompt, the only thing you guys need to do is to change its objects. So in my case, I'm going to use BMW for color modification. So after selecting the car, we need to select its color. So in my case, I'm going to use red. You can use any other color you want. So after selecting the car and the color, the only thing you guys need to do is to copy it. And after copying, just go to the Google Flow and paste the whole prompt there. Let me tell you the fun fact about the Google Flow. Google Flow will give you 50 credits daily. That means you can easily create 3 videos per day. So if you want to create more than 3 videos, you need more Google accounts. Boom, our video is ready. You can easily download it by clicking on those 3 dots. Now let's create another video using the same process. So this time, I'm going to use Fortuner for the next video. And I'm going to give it white color. After giving the instructions, we need to copy the whole prompt and repeat the same process. As you can see, I copied the whole prompt and pasted it here in the Google Flow. So now it may take few minutes. So as you can see, after few minutes, our video is ready.